Hi guys, we are back with teaching you with presentations. So far, we have learned how to write programs using conditional execution functions and iterations. We will mainly focus on reading and writing text files such as those we create in text editor. The key function for working with files in Python: open, close, read, write. Open, as suggested by the name, opens the file. Close closes the file, the read syntax reads upon the file, and write syntax write a file. Before you can read or write a file, you have to open it using Python's built-in open function.
To break or divide a file, there is a special character which is a \n. The print statement adds upon its own new line, which is usually a blank line with a white space character. This space character is usually invisible. So we can see the use of a \n syntax on the program in the statement. Now after seeing this, we can understand that when we take out the length of the statement, it will usually count these \n character in the length. That may not be the most optimal clause. Now we can look at another program which explains it in detail. We
Now, now we shall look upon how to open the file. First of all, you have to use the syntax open, then double quotes and write the file name and be sure that file is inside the folder. Here, it just print out some important information about the file, not whole file. Now we shall look upon how to break the line. It's simple. Just use this \n wherever you wanna to just break the line. \n and here \n. So let's see the demo. By running it, I saw that it has broke down the line into four lines. So \n simply break down the line, but it is usually invisible. But if you see, there are 21 characters according to length. It is because it also counts the \n. I have removed two slash n now. Let's see. Uh, what is the length? See, it has reduced. So yeah, and this space is also counted. So uh, it has also been registered in the length. Now let us once more see. It's 19. You can see. Now let us see upon see um, a very basic kind of program. It is, first of all, you have to open that and you have to assign a variable, and that should be 0, and it will count number of lines in ope, and that's the variable name. And here, simple, here you can see 1910. Now we should just read a file. We will be just reading the file. It's just a variable. Then I have opened it and re handle dot read, and I'll just len it. A length. It means we have to just length it. You have a homework. Here the value is more simply because it counts the character. So I want to give you some kind of homework. What you have to do is just open your Python, not your IDE, but Python, and then write till here.
Now let's move on to the read syntax. The read syntax or the read method is just to read the file in one string if the file is short in your computer's memory. This is the only way to read a file in one string, and the read methods exhaust all resources, so it is better to take a variable. Today's task for you is to take the length of the file and do string slicing on it. You can use the length in the print statement 2 times. You can see the program once you have tried.
So guys, I'll teach you how to search in a file using Python. We'll take a simple text file with something written in it. We'll save it in a folder. I have made a folder on my desktop with the name Python. When I right-click the folder, there is an option of opening the folder as PyCharm Community Edition project. Click on it. It will open PyCharm. Click on your folder Make a Python file under it. Don't touch the text file. We'll write the code. Using variable OPE, which is equal to open, write the name of your file in bracket for line in OPE intent. If not, line dot starts with in bracket the first word of line intent continue, print the line. And now we'll run this program and it shows the same line.
Now let us see upon this. We are going to remove the spaces that has been added by print line. Print line added some spaces. So how to remove them? It is simple by r strip. Method is r strip. Methods are dot notation in Python. So dot r strip. Now we shall run it, and here you can see those extra spaces that were there in the code written by Muskan have been removed now. So we should move ahead. If not is a conditional statement, like if it is also a conditional statement. See, sorry, if not is a conditional statement. Now what does it say? If not is same like the if not in English. So if I translate in Hindi, it is agar nahi. It means that if not this line starts with from, then you shall continue to continue. How, what is continue? It just moves it up here for from the starting. So let us run and hope you are learning the not learning and trying this at your home. Yeah, you can see now we will be moving upon try and accept input 5. Why are we using try and accept here? Simply because we are using input, and in input it is important to write try and accept, because we all know that QA team will try to blow up your thing, but your customer should not also be agitated from you. He should not be agitated from you. So let us run it. Sorry. uh, yeah, I'll write a file that is not in here. See, it is saying, sorry, sir, no file found it. I've written this print. You all know try and accept, and nothing here I have added. Everything is same. Everything is same. Just references input and this open, and R strip is of course before if not. So now we will be seeing something interesting. We are going to write a code that will make a file and write inside it. So I'll choose the file name as Pythoneese 6. So whenever we open the file in W mode, that is for writing, it will make this file if it is not there, and if it is there, then of course it will write inside that file only. So in line A it is hi everyone, it's just a string, and in line B it is just the string again. Here dot write is the method. Dot write is the method, and you should not write double arguments inside this, simply because it will blow up. And do not forget do not and you should not forget to write close method, simply because it will exhaust all your thing that you have written inside that file. Now first of all I will run it. Run right. Yeah, it is, of course it will not run everything here. So let us see, is it made or not. So yeah, you can see this file. I'll open it. It says hi everyone, bye bye. So with here I'll also end my, and hope you are enjoying your summer vacations, etc. I know summer vacation because I am also a kid. Hope you enjoy summer vacation with Python. Bye.